So here we have the BMW 1 Series M Sport on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in, run through some controls from there. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off in the boot area of the vehicle first. As we approach the back of the car, you can probably hear for yourself the upgraded exhaust that this car has got, reversing sensors as well. Plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat also. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre at the bottom, the total miles of the car there, 72,454. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information using a button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control and speed limiter, phone and stereo controls, the plus and minus pedals to change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox, should you wish to do that. Over into the centre, we have the main screen for the car. So lots of different options up on here. Starting from the top is where you'll listen to your own music, either via the CD player or by plugging in an external device, which on this car is USB input, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input. All the movement you see me making on the screen here is being done using this dial, which is the iDrive system. You can use the buttons that surround it to go into certain menus. Push the dial down, you'll enter the menu you've got highlighted. You can see we've got FM, AM and DAB radio. You can pair up your phone. Once you've done so, you'll be able to stream your music wirelessly as well as using the Bluetooth audio, of course. And we have satellite navigation. Really nice colour display. This is BMW's business nav. It has the warning lights and deadlocks, the main volume for the stereo, your CD player, and then dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed once it enters the car. As your air conditioning off and back on again, or simply hit auto. The car will then take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Press that button again, you'll go back to your original settings. We have a 12-volt charging socket, some storage down here. You can, for example, insert the key in here. You need the key in the vehicle to be able to start the engine, or you can remove one or both of these to give you 2 cup holders as well. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can turn off your traction control. You can change the driving setup of the car as well. So you can put it into Sport, for example, Sport Plus, Comfort, which is your everyday driving, and Eco Pro as well. And then just to finish up, back with the iDrive system just here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.